So hello guys, welcome to my channel and you are watching Developer X. I am Sakshi Pathak. In previous video, we learned about data types and how we assign a data type, how many data types are there. And in this video, we are going to study about strings. So what basically a string is? A string represent a group of characters. Strings are important because most of the data that we use in daily life will be in form of strings. For example, the name of persons, their addresses, vehicle names, their credit card numbers, etc. are all strings. In Python, the str data type represent a string. Since every string comprises several characters, Python handles strings and characters almost in same manner. There is no separate data type to represent individual character in Python. Let's create strings. We can create a string in Python by assigning a group of character to a variable. The group of characters should be enclosed inside single quotes or double quotes as there is no difference between the single quotes and double quotes while creating the strings. Both will work in same manner. Sometimes we use triple quotes also, or triple single quotes or triple double quotes to represent strings. Those quotation marks are useful when we want to represent a string that occupies several lines, as like in this statement, the string str is created using triple double quotes. The above string can be created using triple single quotes also. Like this. Now let's grow the length of a string. Length of a string represent Length of a string represent the numbers of characters in a string. To know the length of a string, we can use the length function. This function gives the number of characters including space in the strings like Python programming language. We know the length of this string, so we will use the len function, print len, and put the variable string str. And these preceding lines of code will display the following output, means 27 length, 27 characters in this string. Now let's go through indexing in string. Okay, what is index? Index represent the position number. Index is written using square braces. By specifying the position number through an index, we can refer to individual elements of a string. For example, str0 refers to the 0th element of the string, like let's take hello, means str0 means h refers to the zeroth element of the string and str1 refers to the first element of the string. Thus, means str0h, str1e, str2l, str3l, str4o. And when we use index as a negative numbers, it refers to element in reverse order, means str minus 1 is o. Thus, str minus 1 refers to the last element and str minus 2 refers to the second element from last, means L. Okay, let's go through print str 0. HELLO 0, H1, E, 2, L, 3, L, and fourth is O. And same as minus indexing. OLLEH, minus 5 is the H. That's it. Slicing the string. Next we will study take a slice represent a part or a piece of a string, means if we want from core Python to core py or just co or just thon, only we have to print only these of the characters from this whole string. Then we'll use indexing method. Print word. If we want to print from C, means zeroth index, from then we will write from 0 index, then we use colon till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will include space also, means y is the 6th index, then we will write 7 because it means 7 characters, means 4, 5, 6, 7. It will print till y. It will not include 7, it will only include till 6th index. Because slicing is done from 0th index to n minus 1 element, means from 0th index to n minus 1 means there is 7 characters, and means 6, 7 minus 1 means 6th element. Then it will print core py. Let's take same print take random 2, 9. It means it will it will print from 2nd index to 8th index, because I already told you it will print until n minus 1th element, means 9 minus 1 means 8th element. RE means 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 from R to H. If I want to print from starting to H, word send. If I am not including the starting element, then it would automatically take the 0th element till n minus 1 till sixth element. Then if I want to print, if I will not include the last element, then it will automatically end till n. Python. Let's read from index and minus indexing. It is possible to use reverse slicing to retrieve the elements from the string in reverse order. The start and stop can be specified as negative number. For example, if I want to print -4 -1, it will access from minus fourth index to minus one index. Sorry, minus 2 index from left to right in word string. Means minus, it will print for -1, means it will not include -1. It will start from O. Let's see first. Okay, O. I already told you the n minus 1 element will not include, means n minus 1 is 1 0. It will not include n. Then it start from O H T, means minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. It will not include -1. Repeating the string means if I want to repeat the word string, like print, I want to print the word 2 times. Core Python. If I want to search 3 times, and it will print 3 times. Core Python. Concatenation of strings. Like S1 is equal to we can use plus operator on string to attach a string at the end of the another string. The operator plus is called as addition operator when used on numbers, but when we use on string it is called concatenation operator, since it join or concatenate the string. Similar result can be achieved using the join method also, when we will discuss this a little later. Like Python programming language. Removing spaces from a string. Okay. The spaces may lead to wrong result. Such spaces should be removed from the strings before they are compared. This is possible using rstrip, lstrip and strip method. The rstrip method removes the spaces where are at the right side of the string. Strip method removes spaces which are left side of the string, and the strip method removes space from the both side of the string. Like name is equals to and print name dot. If I want to remove the right space, then I will print R strip. It removed the right, but in terminal it will not shown. It's not showing. Print L strip. Let's move the left spacing. And if I want to remove print name dot strip, remove from both sides.
In this video we learned about string, what is string, and about multi-line string, and how we remove space and how we join the strings and many more. This is not the end of the string topic. The remaining parts of the topic will be covered in next video, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Thank you for watching this video.